The year 2025 was a remarkable year for the global Jamaat, as our beloved 50th Imam, Maulana Shah Rahim Al Hussaini Aga Khan, embarked on several official visits across the world, sharing guidance, blessings, and his immense love. This journey began in Paris, France, where the first official Didar of the year took place. France Didar, 10 July 2025. Maulana Hazir Imam arrived in Paris in the evening for his first official visit, accompanied by his sons, Prince Irfan and Prince Sinan. He was warmly received by Jean-Christophe Pucelle, the French government's official representative to the Ismaili Imamat, Shamir Samji, the Imamat's representative to France, and Ayaze Mitha, president of the Ismaili Council for France. A delegation of Jamaati leaders representing France, Switzerland, Belgium, welcomed Hazir Imam. During his visit, Hazir Imam met with President Emmanuel Macron and senior French officials and prepared to grace the France jurisdiction, Jamaat with Didara. 11 July 2025, Hazir Imam was received at the Élysée Palace for a luncheon by President Macron, as well as Jamaati and AKDN leaders. 3 significant agreements were signed. Agreement between the French Republic and the Ismaili Imamat, Declaration of Intention to Cooperate in Syria, Declaration of Intention to Cooperate in the Indian Ocean region. This visit reflected decades of long-standing collaboration between France and the Ismaili Imamat. The AKDN has cooperated with France on over 60 projects across Africa, South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East, and is a founding member of the Paris Peace Forum. Hazir Imam's family has enjoyed close ties with France for over 75 years, and the Ismaili community has contributed to the country for more than 6 decades. 12th of July 2025. Hazir Imam met French officials including Minister of the Interior Bruno Retailleau and Foreign Minister Jean-Noël Barrot, where 2 cultural agreements were signed between the Aga Khan Trust for Culture, AKTC, and ALEP, and between AKTC and the Musée Guimet, formalizing ongoing cooperation and enabling new projects. Later, at Paris Expo Porte de Versailles, the Jamas of France, Switzerland, Belgium gathered for the historic Didar. Hazir Imam conveyed guidance, blessings, and gratitude to volunteers. He also granted a separate mulaqat to youth members. Ayaze Mitha delivered the welcome address, and the Mukhi of Paris Principal Jamaat Khana submitted bayah on behalf of the Jamaat. To commemorate this event, the community created an art installation titled Ensemble Together, symbolizing migration, welcome, diversity, and unity through plants and fruits, including the mangrove, olive, pomegranate, fig, and grape leaves, all inscribed with handwritten messages from Jamaati members and multi-faith family members. In the afternoon, leaders hosted Hazir Imam at an institutional lunch in Paris, where gratitude was expressed for his visit. Hazir Imam thanked the leaders and volunteers, expressing his happiness. "I'm deeply happy. It has been a wonderful 3 days. I could not have had a first official trip better than this one." After the France Didar, Maulana Hazir Imam visited Kenya, 25th August 2025. Hazir Imam arrived in Nairobi, Kenya. He was welcomed by government officials, including Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi and Cabinet Secretary Aden Bayredwale, as well as Jamaati leaders representing Botswana, Burundi, Eswatini, Namibia, Rwanda, South Africa, and Kenya. The streets of Nairobi were lined with joyous Jamaati members, waving flags and celebrating Hazir Imam's arrival. 26th August 2025. Hazir Imam was honored with Kenya's highest civilian award, the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart, recognizing distinguished service, and the Ismaili Imamat's contributions to Kenya. 2 agreements were signed: a reaffirmation of the partnership between the Ismaili Imamaat and the Government of Kenya, a memorandum of understanding on environmental conservation, climate change, urban rehabilitation, and cultural heritage. Hazir Imam emphasized ongoing collaboration to address challenges, mobilizing institutional resources and international partnerships to benefit Kenya. 27th August 2025. At Nairobi, Darkhana, Hazir Imam granted Didar
हाजिर इमाम को हमारा सलाम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद।
He conveyed guidance and blessings, offered youth mulaqats, and reminded the Jamaat of his love and affection. The community presented a manuscript of the Quran from 1854 CE, believed to be from Ethiopia, and created an art installation titled Bustan-e-Noor, Garden of Light, incorporating flowers and leaves, symbolizing each country in the Kenya jurisdiction. September 2025. Hazir Imam arrived in Entebbe, Uganda, and was received at State House by President Yoweri Museveni and First Lady Janet Museveni, accompanied by Princess Zara and Prince Ali Mohammed. He reviewed a guard of honor and participated in a musical tribute featuring the national anthem and Nasheed Ali Mama. 11th September 2025, Hazir Imam was awarded the Most Excellent Order of the Pearl of Africa, Uganda's highest civilian honor, recognizing his leadership and service. He inaugurated the first phase of the Aga Khan University Center in Kampala, including student housing, medical facilities, and academic buildings. 12 September 2025. Hazir Imam granted Didar at Kampala, Darkhana.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
He granted youth mulaqats at Kololo Jamaat Khana. The Jamaat presented 2 miniature Ottoman paintings representing the collective journey of the global Jamaat uniting in Uganda. September 2025. Hazir Imam arrived in Bishkek ahead of the Aga Khan Award for Architecture 2025 ceremony, welcomed by government officials and AKDN representatives. 15 September 2025. He presided over the awards ceremony, honoring 7 innovative projects from Bangladesh, China, Egypt, Pakistan, and Palestine, sharing a total prize of $1 million. The designs addressed challenges such as climate resilience, urban heritage restoration, and community development. 16 September 2025. Hazir Imam hosted the Winners Seminar, discussing architecture's role in social development, climate response, and pluralism. Panel discussions included empowering communities through innovative architecture and building as answers to societal aspirations, highlighting transformative architectural solutions. 5 November 2025. Hazir Imam arrived in Houston, Texas for his first official visit to the United States of America. He was welcomed by Mayor Carol McCutcheon, city officials, and Jamaati leaders. Hazir Imam received the key to the cities of Sugar Land and Houston. And 6 November 2025. Our beloved Hazir Imam inaugurated the Ismaili Center Houston, a space for learning, reflection, and multi-faith engagement. This building may be called an Ismaili Center, but it is not here for Ismailis only. It is for all Houstonians to use. A place open to all who seek knowledge, reflection, and dialogue. 7 to 10 November 2025. Hazir Imam granted Didars, youth mulaqats, and multi-faith meetings, and designated the Ismaili Center and as the Darkhana for the USA Jamaat.
Ya Ali, Ya Maula, Ya Mushkil Kusha, Ya Hazir Imam, Ya Ali, Ya Maula, Ya Mushkil Kusha, Ya Hazir Imam, Ya Ali.
The Jamaat created sustainability-focused art installations, Unity in Motion, and Faces of the Future. In Dallas, Hazir Imam received keys and proclamations from 5 cities and met local community representatives. 11 November 2025, Hazir Imam concluded his visit with a final Didar in Dallas, where the Jamaat presented a remarkable gift. 2,100 gold and silver Fatimid coins and glass weights dating back to the 10th to 11th centuries CE. The week reflected moments of joy, guidance, and renewed bayah. After the USA Didar, Maulana Hazir Imam visited Portugal for the final Didar in 2025. Hazir Imam visited Lisbon and granted Didars, youth, mulaqats, and multi-faith meetings.
शुक्राने लाही वलम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्राने लाही वलम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्राने लाही वलम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्राने लाही वलम्दुलिल्लाह.
The Jamaat presented an art installation titled Journey Home, symbolizing spiritual journeys flowing like water toward Allah. Hazir Imam announced scholarship reforms, converting merit-based undergraduate scholarships into fully grant-based awards. Volunteers and leaders were acknowledged for their dedication. The visit concluded with institutional receptions, expressions of gratitude, and Hazir Imam observing the Jamaat's creativity and unity. Looking ahead, United Kingdom 2026. Following a year filled with guidance, blessings, and historic engagements, Maulana Hazir Imam announced an official visit to the United Kingdom in 2026, another spiritually enriching journey for the Jamaat. The year 2025 will be remembered as a milestone in the history of the Ismaili community, a year of heartfelt Didars, inspiring guidance, community unity, and lasting contributions across education, culture, architecture, and social development.